Sometimes when you create a cam and want to put it into assembly, the cam mate, the mechanical mate called the cam mate, won't always work. Sometimes a way of getting around that is to come to each of the locations where the cam profile is transitioning and you can apply a fillet. But even sometimes that won't work. So what I'm going to do is show you another way of getting around that. I'm going to suppress the fillets that I had placed on this original cam. And now what we're going to do is go into Features, Reference Geometry, and we're going to create a plane parallel to the face of the cam. And we're going to sketch on that plane. So I'm going to go ahead and create a sketch. And we're going to view it from the normal face. And all we're going to do is we're going to utilize the spline tool, and we are just going to create a lot of points. So I'm going to select and keep selecting. Now notice each time I click, I'm looking for the coincident constraint to be located there. And that's basically the procedure. We're just going to go ahead, and of course the more points that you use, the better your match to the correct, shall we say, cam profile will be. But you can also be somewhat coarse if you want to. Now of course another way around this would be, in a particular cam such as this, if I have a number of dwells, I could create those base circles and then only have to spline in between those. Two ways of looking at it, but if you were to do that, you'd have to make sure that you set tangency constraints on your spline. Now in this situation I have a spline that completely maps the profile, so I'm going to say OK, and I'm going to exit my sketch now. So now what you need to do is you need to create a new part, and what we're going to do is we're going to copy this sketch over into the new part. So let me go in here and I'll create a new part, and I'm going to select the top plane. Now I'm going to go back over to my other part, and I'm going to select the sketch, go here. Now this is where it is, it's up in the edit menu. I'm going to select copy, and now I'll come over to the new part that I've just created with the top plane selected, and I will just do edit and paste. Now I have my my cam profile here, and I'm going to go ahead and edit the sketch. Actually, I just need to select the sketch, and I'll go to Features, Extruded Boss, and done. Of course, what I haven't done here is I forgot to copy my center, so let me go back and grab that. So I'll go back to edit this sketch, and I will again view it from the front. And I'm going to go ahead and go to my Convert Entities tool now, and I'm going to select the couple lines that form my through hole and my keyway. So now I'm done. Again, I can exit the sketch, and I'll go ahead and copy it over here. I'm sorry, it's up here under the edit menu. Edit, copy. I'll go back to my other part. I'm going to go ahead in here and delete that, and delete the sketch. Go back to select my top plane, go to edit, paste. And now I'll go ahead and edit the sketch, and in this case I can extrude it out to a distance of, I think I was using 0.25, and done. So now when you take a good look at the part, you'll notice that there are no edges at all that would cause the cam mate in the assembly mode to cause you problems. All right, hope that helps somebody over here.